everyone. Welcome to you all in today's class of English. Open your textbook. Open page number 80. Activity 8. Animal idioms. Read the idioms and their meanings carefully and try to make 3 sentences for each idiom after reading and discussing the examples given below. See children, some idioms, their meanings and example sentence are given below in the table. So, we have to read it and then it is compulsory that we have to make 3 sentences for each idiom. कोई एक इडियम के लिए हमें 3 सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. ऐसे हमें जितने भी इडियम्स दिए गए हैं इन सब के लिए सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. इडियम्स, मीनिंग एंड एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस. कैटनैप. कैटनैप का मीनिंग क्या है? अ शॉर्ट स्लीप. So the meaning of catnap is a short sleep. बहुत कम नींद. Example sentence is I am going to have a catnap while you are cooking dinner. यहाँ पे इसका मीनिंग है I am going to have a short sleep while you are cooking dinner. Then another sentence is we have to make for it. 1 number, Harsh took a cat nap during lunch break. 2 number, mother takes a cat nap in the afternoon. And third one is Mr. Pandya had some time for a cat nap before the meeting. So these 3 sentences are here. Children, you make another 3 sentences. Then second one is copycat. A person who does the same thing as someone else. The meaning of copycat is a person who does the same thing as someone else. Copycat का meaning ये है कि कोई इंसान दूसरे इंसान के जैसे ही वो जो भी करता है वो सब कुछ उसका कॉपी करता है, उसे copycat कहते हैं. For example, my sister is such a copycat. First she bought the same car as me and now she is applying to my school. देखो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में दिखाया गया है कि ये जो सेंटेंस लिख रहा है उसने कहा है कि मेरी सिस्टर कॉपीकैट है. पहले उसने मेरे जैसी ही कार ली और फिर उसके बाद उसने मेरे ही स्कूल में अप्लाई किया. सो सेंटेंस इज फॉर इट. Soham is a copycat because he wears the same clothes as his friend. Second one, don't be a copycat. Use your imagination and draw a picture. 3 number, why don't you write your own sentences? Don't be a copycat. Dog days. The meaning of dog days is very hot days. The example is I sleep in the basement during the dog days of August. So I sleep in the basement during the very hot days of August. It's the beginning of dog days in summer. 2 number, I eat lots of ice cream to beat the summer dog days. Tom can't live in the dog days of summer. Then, have a cow. Get extremely upset, often over something slight. The example sentence is, my teacher had a cow, means get extremely upset when she realized nobody had done the homework. मेरे टीचर बहुत ही अपसेट हो गए जब उन्होंने रियलाइज किया कि किसी ने भी होमवर्क नहीं किया है. Another sentences for each are, Father had a cow when I failed. 2 number, the principal had a cow when the boys broke the window glass. 3 number, Sunita had a cow when her friend told her a lie. Next is fishy. Means strange, doubtful or odd. The sentence is, I knew something fishy was going on when I saw all of my friends' cars in my mom's driveway. बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज, बहुत ही डाउटफुल और बहुत ही ऑड होना उसे फिशी कहा जाता है. Another examples are, the police found something fishy in that house. 2 number, there is something fishy in the story. 3 number, the teacher finds that boy's behavior quite fishy. Then, next is get the lion's share. Meaning, get the greatest percentage. The example is, my brother got the lion's share of cake. मेरे भाई को केक का बहुत ही बड़ा हिस्सा मिल गया. The examples are, the elder son got a lion's share in his father's property. 2 number, I got a lion's share of the prizes. 3 number, the young boy got a lion's share of the chocolates. Next is raining cats and dogs. Means raining heavily. Example is, I forgot my umbrella and it was raining cats and dogs. So, raining cats and dogs means it is raining heavily. मैं अपना छाता भूल गया और बहुत ही जोरों की बारिश हो रही थी. The examples are, I can't go out of the house because it's raining cats and dogs. 2 number, it's raining cats and dogs so the schools are closed. 3 number, there is a traffic jam because it's raining cats and dogs. Next is, let the cat out of the bag. Means tell a secret. The example is, who let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party? किसी को सीक्रेट बता देना. तो इसका एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है कि किसने सरप्राइज पार्टी का सीक्रेट सबको बता दिया. Another examples are, 1 number, the little girl let the cat out of the bag. 2 number, Mohan could not wait to share the secret with his father, so he let the cat out of the bag. 3 number, Joy is a naughty boy. He let the cat out of the bag and told mother about our picnic. So children, you have to write all these 3 sentences in your notebook and you have to make extra 2 sentences for each idiom and send me. Have a nice day. Goodbye.